Dear students, now we will be learning about potential energy today. Okay, define potential energy and then give some examples of potential energy. So, the energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. Position, it is easy to remember, position and potential energy. The potential energy is denoted by PE, capital PE, or U, simply U, or PE, potential energy. Potential energy is due to the energy stored in the body due to its position. Okay, so examples are, one stretched bow has potential energy stored in it. This energy is equal to the work done. So you see, when a bow is very simply loosely kept, it has no energy. But when it is stretched and arrow is fixed on it, some energy is spent to stretch this one, and this energy is stored in this bow. So it has some amount of energy due to its position. So stretched bow is an example for potential energy. So next one is a bent branch of the tree. So have you ever broken a fruit by bending a branch of tree? When a body bends the branch of tree, work is done by the body. Then that is stored in the branch of the tree as potential energy. So it is this, when it is bent, it has some, this boy is spending some amount of energy on this one, on this branch. So when some amount of energy spent on this, it is stored in this, and that stored energy is called the potential energy. So on releasing the branch of the tree, it goes back to its original position because of the work obtained from the stored potential energy. So when it is left, when the boy leaves its hand, it goes back. Why? That time, from where the branch gets its energy, it gets energy to go back, because some energy, some potential energy is stored in it. Using that potential energy, the branch goes back. Okay, energy is stored by bending it. Why it is going back? Then you will say, this when it is bending, it has energy, but while going back, it is moving, so it has to be kinetic energy. But no, why? Because this energy what is stored while bending the branch, some amount of energy is spent by this boy on this branch, and that energy is stored in it as potential energy here. That potential energy only is using when it is going back to its original position. So this stretched bow, bending of the branch of the tree, etc. are examples of kinetic energy, not potential energy. Okay, kinetic energy. Then third one is spring of watch. When a spring of watch is wound up, so when you give key to the watch, the spring is bound up and the potential energy is stored in it. As the spring is unwind itself, potential energy is used as work for moving the hands of the watch. So you should not say this moving clocks has kinetic energy. You should not say. Why? Because while we are wounding the key, while we are giving the key, what we are doing, we are storing some amount of potential energy in the spring, and while unwinding it, the handles move. So that means the potential energy that is stored in the spring only is used to run the hands of the clock. Okay, hands of the watch. Then fourth one is compressed spring. A compressed spring has potential energy. Ball is kept on it one. Compressed, because when we are stretching it, it has some amount of energy stored in it. When the spring is compressed by keeping some object on it, some work is done on the spring which is stored in it as potential energy. So it is kept. It is compressed and it has some amount of energy stored in it, and we kept a ball on it, and when we lift our hands, it gets released and the ball goes up. and you cannot say that because this is coming back it has movement, so it is kinetic energy. No, it is not because of the kinetic energy the ball is going up or the spring is released or extends. Why? Because some amount of energy is stored in it, potential energy is stored in it is by compressing. So that potential energy only is using to get this ball, the spring, while the spring is released, that amount of potential energy only is used. So compressed spring is an application of potential energy. Now the fifth one is a sling. A stretched rubber band of a sling has potential energy stored in it. A small stone is placed on the stretched rubber band, shoots away when it is released. When we stretch the string, potential energy is stored in the sling, and while you release, with that potential energy the small stone goes far. Okay. Now again for hammering. When a hammer is raised to height, it has potential energy due to its position. When a hammer is raised up, it has high potential energy. And when the hammer is allowed to strike the nail, it drives the nail to the wood because of its potential energy. Okay, potential energy is stored in the hammer when it is raised to the height, and due to that, with that potential energy, when it comes down and struck the nail goes inside. So we have learned. Now we have next one is, you see, the hammer is raised to this much height, so it has some amount of potential energy due to the position, and when it comes back, due to the potential energy that is stored in it, when it falls on the nail, it goes inside. Okay. Now falling of coconut. When a coconut tree are of large height, coconut falling from the large height can hurt the heart of a person hit by it because it has high potential energy. When as the altitude or the height increases, the potential energy or the energy due to position increases. Okay. So this coconut tree is a very long tree, and the coconut on the top of the coconut tree has high potential energy. So when it falls on the head of a person, it can break the head. Then water falling from the height. Water is stored in the drum at a height to possess potential energy, which is used for running the turbine and grinders. How to make electricity out of water? So dams are created at great heights on the mountainous area, and then from there, through small pipes or big pipes, the water is brought down to the valley, and then there turbines are set. It will with the strength of the waterfall, what happens, the shafts of the turbine moves, and then from there we get the electricity. So the potential energy of the water stored at the great height is converted into electrical energy. So we have seven applications of potential energy. Life examples. First one was a stretched bow. Second one, bending of the tree. Then spring of water, watch. Then third one, compressed spring. Then the sling. Then sixth one was hammering. Then sixth was falling coconut, and seventh was waterfall from the height. Now this potential energy can be of two types. There are elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. There are two types of potential energy. First one was elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy means work done on the body changes its size or shape. So when it changes its size or shape, it is called elastic potential energy. For example, compressed spring. When the spring is compressed, it is small in size, but when it is released, it is larger in size. So this is an example for elastic potential energy. Then the gravitational potential energy. In the case, work done is to lift an object to a height above the surface of the earth. Wherever we have to